Don't do it so like that. Patty cake, baker's man. Patty cake, baker's man. Stand up. Stand up. Oh, there we go. Up. Your legs. Oh. Patty cake, baker's man.
Will be getting back pay for overtime. The Labor Department says the Tulsa-based company did not pay more than 3,800 workers overtime compensation.
Was that fun?
The ruling affected workers in 9 states, including Georgia. Workers will share some
Don't do that. That makes it distorted. He's like looking at it. I love you. What is that? We're getting him to laugh. Patty cake, baker's man.
Stand up and put him down again.
Ooh.